Good morning, class 3. I hope everyone is fine and healthy. Bete, now we are going to start with the revision. As your unit test, they are going to commence. So let's start with the revision of the chapters that we have completed till now. So first we'll revise chapter number 7, that is parts of a plant. Chapter number 7, parts of a plant. As the name itself telling us what we read in this chapter, the parts of the plant. We know there are different types of plants around us. They have different size, they are of different shapes. So there are many parts of the plant that we are going to study in detail in this chapter. So first, a plant has main two parts. First is the root and the second one is the shoot. रूट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट दैट इज बिलो द ग्राउंड. जो ग्राउंड के नीचे वाला पार्ट है दैट इज द रूट, बिलो ग्राउंड. शूट इज द पार्ट ऑफ द प्लांट दैट इज अबव ग्राउंड. दिस पार्ट इज अबव द ग्राउंड. सो लेट्स स्टडी द पार्ट्स ऑफ द प्लांट्स. फर्स्ट सी द डायग्राम ऑफ प्लांट एंड इट्स पार्ट्स. These are the roots that are below the ground. Then comes your shoot that is above the ground. This is the fruit. This is leaf, stem, bud, roots. Then comes your flower. Here comes your flower. This is the flower. These are the main parts of a plant. First, root, that is present below the ground. Then above the ground is the shoot part. What is present in the shoot portion? Stem. Then fruit, leaf, bud and flower. So these are the main parts of the flower. So now we are going to study about the roots. Roots are mainly of two types. The main types of roots, fibrous roots and tap roots. Tap root is a root. It consists of one main root. Now let us study. Roots are of mainly two types. Tap root, fibrous root. Tap root, it consists of mainly first one thick root from which the other roots they originate. एक रूट से बाकी रूट्स निकलती हैं. मेन रूट इज देयर, दिस इज द मेन रूट and the other roots they are originating from the main root. That is the tap root. Next comes your fibrous roots. Fibrous roots, there isn't any main root. These roots are like fibers, bushy. जैसे fibers होते हैं, they are like that only. There isn't any main root. जैसे इसमें एक main root है, main root से बाकी roots originate होती हैं. But in fibrous root, there isn't any main root. All the roots they originate from one origin only and they look like fibers. They look like bushy होती है. Tap roots are mainly present in mustard. सरसों का plant है. Hibiscus, that is your flower. Bean And fibrous roots, they are mainly present in grass. Grass की roots, you must have seen the roots of grass. देखो कि fibers जैसी होती हैं. So grass have fibrous roots. Then wheat, onion, all these plants have fibrous roots. Now what are the functions of the roots? First function क्या है? It allows the plant to, it helps the plant to stay fixed to the soil. अगर roots ना हो तो plant कैसे fix रहेगा soil में? So it will not be able to stay fixed in the soil without the roots. Roots, they take in water and minerals from the soil and give to the plant for preparing your food. Then some plants, they store their food in the roots only. These roots, they are eaten as food. Example, turnip, जो आप खाते हो, turnip, शलगम, beetroot, carrot, they are eaten by the human beings as most of the food is stored in that part only. So these are the functions of the roots. Then comes to your stem portion, जो above the ground है, वहां पे आ जाओ. That is the stem, shoot portion. First is your stem. Stem can be weak also, stem can be strong also. Some trees or plants, they have very strong stems. They are very thick, बहुत ज्यादा मोटी होती है उनकी stems, and they are very strong. They are called as trunk. जो मोटी होती है stem उन्हें बोलते हैं trunk. Like banyan tree. This is called as a trunk. Banyan tree की जैसे stem है. It is very strong and thick. That is called the trunk. They hold the tree straight and upright. What is the main function of these stems? They make the tree, they hold the tree straight and upright. जो tree है हमारा straight and upright खड़ा होता है. Why? Because of the presence of the stem. There are some plants that have very weak stem, जो खड़ी नहीं हो सकती अपने आप. So they need support. उन stems को support चाहिए खड़े होने के लिए. Example is grapevine, जो आपकी अंगूर की बेल है. It has a very weak stem, so it cannot stand upright. It needs some support to stand upright. Money plant and bean, they have weak stems. Some such plants either grow along the ground or need support of other plants, walls or sticks. So उन stems को खड़े करने के लिए support दी जाती है उनको, या तो wall की support या किसी stick के साथ उनको लटकाया जाता है. So they need some support to grow. So this is about the stem. Now what are the functions of these stems? Stem, they keep the plant upright and straight. खड़ा होता है जो plant हमारा upright and straight due to the presence of the stem. Leaves, flowers, fruits, they grow on the stem. Stem carry water and minerals and food to other parts of the body of the plant. Stems of some plants, they store food as roots store food. Stems भी कुछ plants की ऐसी हैं जो store करती हैं food, like sugar cane, potato, ginger, that are eaten by us. कुछ plants की stem है जो हम खाते हैं क्योंकि उनमें store होता है food, like sugar cane, potato, ginger, they are eaten as they store food. So this was about the stem. So next part of the shoot portion comes your leaf. अगला portion है leaf. Leaf क्या है? That is the green colored part of the plant. Why it is green? It is green due to the presence of a substance called leaf blade. What are the main parts of the leaf? This is called a leaf blade. Main vein. These are the side veins. These are the main parts of the leaf. It has a flat portion called a leaf blade. Then there is a main vein in the center. One vein, that is main vein. Then side veins. These are the side veins. जो sides को निकलती है. The color of the leaf is green due to the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. Chlorophyll है जो substance है green color का होता है. That is why the color of the leaf is green. These are the main parts of the leaf. Then comes, what are the functions of the leaf? Leaf is called the food factory of the plant as it makes food. ड्यू टू द प्रेजेंस ऑफ क्लोरोफिल, क्लोरोफिल इट कैन अब्सॉर्ब सनलाइट, जो क्लोरोफिल है वो सनलाइट को अब्सॉर्ब करता है ताकि जो प्लांट है अपना खाना बना सके. सो फूड इज प्रिपेयर्ड इन द लीफ and from the leaf it is transported to other parts of the plant. So that is why leaf is called the kitchen of the plant, or you can say food factory of the plant. Leaves prepare food for the plant in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Leaves give out a gas called oxygen that is essential for us. We take in oxygen, we are breathing, we are taking in oxygen. So from where it is coming? It is coming from the leaves. Leaves से ही आती है वो oxygen. Leaves of some plants they store food. कौन कौन से plants है जो leaf में food store करते हैं? Like spinach, cabbage, they are eaten by us as food. Coriander, lettuce, जो भी है ये आप खाते हो क्योंकि उनके leaves में food store होता है. So that was about the leaves. Next part of the shoot portion is flowers. Next comes your flowers. Flowers, flower is a colored part of the plant. It is attractive part of the plant. Some flowers they have very sweet smell, very pleasant smell that attracts us and that attracts the insects also. They are brightly colored part of the plant. They have very pleasant and sweet smell. Most of the flowers they change into fruits. जो fruit लगता है plants को वो किससे बनता है? Flower से. First flower comes, then the fruit come out from the flower. Most of the fruits they have one seeds. Some fruits they have more than one seeds. Seeds grow into new plants. Thus flowers are important to a plant as they reproduce, as they help a plant to reproduce. We know bete fruits they have seeds inside them. If we grow the seeds in soil, soil में लगाओगे तो क्या निकलेगा? एक नया plant बन जाएगा. And so it means seeds are coming from the fruits. So fruits are very important. Sorry. Fruits have one or more seeds. Seeds, when they are grown or sown in the soil, they give rise to the new plants. Thus, flowers are very important for a plant as they give rise to the new plants, as they help to reproduce. एक कॉपी से दूसरी कॉपी प्लांट की बनाने में वो काम आते हैं, क्योंकि जो सीड है, सीड से नया प्लांट बनता है. तो सीड कहाँ से आता है? सीड कम्स फ्रॉम द फ्रूट. फ्रूट कहाँ से आता है? फ्लावर से. So flower, they are very important part of the plant as they help the plant to reproduce, as they help the plant to make a new copy of the plant. Cauliflower, broccoli are the examples of the flowers that we eat. जो cauliflower, गोभी जो आप खाते हो, broccoli, they are the flowers that we eat. They are the flowers that store food and eaten by us. Next part comes your fruits. Fruits, you know, that are the eatable parts of the plant that we eat. Most of the fruits, they have one seed inside them, like lychee. Lychee has one seed. Some fruits, they have more than one seed, means few seeds inside them, like apple, orange, lemon. Then there are some fruits, they have many seeds inside them. कौन कौन से? जैसे pomegranate है. Pomegranate you eat, it has many seeds. Watermelon, papaya. So we eat fruits of many plants. That is the fruit portion. Fruit, it is very beneficial for our health as it keeps us away from the diseases. So it is important to add fruits in your diet regularly. Next parts are the seeds. Seeds, I have told you, we get from the fruits. Seeds, they are of different size and colors. They are of different shapes. We eat seeds of some plants. कुछ plants के seeds हैं जो हम खाते हैं, like wheat, rice, corn, these bean. These are the seeds that are eaten by us, and they are called as edible seeds. Seeds that are eaten by us, they are called as edible seeds. Edible. Sorry. Spices such as cumin seeds and mustard, they give flavor to our food. There are some spices whose seeds they are added in the foods, like in vegetables, to give flavor to the vegetable. This is about the seeds. Next topic comes the germination. Last topic and very important topic of this chapter is germination. What is germination? Germination, the process by which a seed grows into a new plant, is called germination. जिस प्रोसेस से जो आपका सीड है एक नए प्लांट में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, that is called as germination. And it goes through various stages. काफी stages आती हैं इस प्रोसेस में. And what a seed needs to grow into a new plant? A seed needs air, water, warmth, that is the heat from the sunlight. Now, what are the stages of germination? How it occurs? I have shown you video also of germination. First, you sow a seed in the soil. Then you give water. Water देते हो आप इसको. Sunlight is coming from the sun. Air is coming from the environment. After few days, what happens? This seed start growing and giving rise to the roots. Roots निकलनी शुरू हो जाती हैं उसमें से. After that, it शूट बननी स्टार्ट हो गई. And after few days, then it has given rise to a new plant. इससे एक नया प्लांट बन गया. That is called germination. So this is the process of germination. First, we have sown a seed in the soil. We are giving water to the seed. Heat is coming from the sun and air is also coming from the environment. After few days, what happens? The seed, it has started growing or giving rise to the roots. Roots निकलनी शुरू हो गई. And then कुछ दिन बाद उसमें से shoot निकलनी शुरू हो गई. And after few days, what happened? A new plant has taken place. This is called as a germination. The whole process from the seed to a plant is called germination. Now come to the question answers of this chapter, page number 76. First question is, what is a taproot? Taproot is a root in which there is one main root, thick root, from which the other roots they originate. एक root होती है जिसमें से बाकी roots जो निकलती हैं, that is a taproot. Give any two functions of the roots. Roots, they help the plant to stay fixed to the soil. And second function is, roots, they absorb water and minerals from the soil and give to other parts of the plant. Write any three functions of stems. First function of the stem is, stem helps the plant to stay upright and straight. That is the first function. Second is, leaves, flowers and buds, they grow on the stem. And the third function is, stems of some plants, they store food and they are eaten by us. What are edible seeds? Name two seeds used as spices. The seeds that are eaten by us are called edible seeds. Two examples of the seeds are mustard and cumin seeds. What is germination? What do seeds need for germination? The process by which a seed gives rise to a new plant, that is called germination. A seed needs air, water and warmth for the germination. So beta, this was all about chapter number 7, that is parts of a plant. Read whole chapter. I hope you will not be having any problem, and if you have any problem, you can ask me anytime. So other book work is also same from the question answers only or the chapter that we have covered. Thank you and have a nice day.